Alright, so today we're about to be doing something to the G, a little something, but we're about to do a muffler delete today. So we're about to go to the shop. I'm about to show you guys a cold start, some revs. Right now the G's completely stock, but I got some plans for it, but we're gonna have to wait a little bit. You know, gotta work a little bit, you know, but yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so we're here at Xpert. We're in Loves Park. We're about to do this muffler delete. Let's get it.
Subscribe.
Damn, dude, low-key kinda excited. But Pops, if you're watching this, I had to make my own decision. You told me, so you can't be mad at me. God, that's me. Damn! Yo, shout out Xpert, dude. These guys know how to work. Shout out Rico. God damn.
Best shop in town.
That shit's crazy, Rico.
Best shop in town.
Best shop. Hey yo, shout out to this man, Rico, right here, Xpert right here. I'm gonna be shouting him out. Highly recommend. Very good people, very good work. They're funny. Let's hear it.
Yeah, that's what's up.
Thank you, Rico, so much.
Alright, bro.
I love it. Thank you, guys. Alright guys, so there you have it. We got the muffler delete now. You know, it sounds good. It sounds good. Hey, so I would definitely recommend doing this. If you guys are on a budget and like don't want to buy the whole exhaust, any axle bags, anything, I think you guys should definitely do it. Sounds mean. It looks good. Look at this thing. That thing looks crazy, but man, that's really nice. Hey, shout out Xpert. They did really good. Rico, if you're watching this, thank you so much, man. Have a good one, guys.